What if your next TikTok video could be your ticket to a financial success? Get ready to transform your passion for creating videos into a money-making machine. We're revealing 11 powerful ways to turn your TikTok talent into a lucrative income stream. Whether you're a viral dance star, a comedic genius, or a DIY master, these strategies will help you monetize your creativity and start earning big. Step into the world of TikTok goldmines and uncover how to make your content work for you. Number 11. Join TikTok's Creator Fund. The TikTok Creator Fund is your gateway to earning money directly from TikTok. To qualify, you need a minimum of 10,000 authentic followers and at least 100,000 views over the last 30 days. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, such as being 18 or older and residing in specific countries. The Creator Fund provides an opportunity to monetize your creativity, with the potential to receive financial support from TikTok itself. To join, switch to a pro account, head to the Creator tool, and click on TikTok Creator Fund to submit your application. This opens up avenues for you to earn through the TikTok Creator Marketplace, TikTok Creator Fund, and live and video gifts. Number 10. Partner with brands you trust. Sponsored content can be a game changer. Reach out to brands that align with your values and content, offering them the chance to leverage your influence for mutual benefit. Authenticity is key, so only collaborate with brands you genuinely love. Craft a press kit showcasing your strengths, achievements, and contact information to present a compelling case for potential partnerships. Remember to use the branded content toggle to maintain transparency with your audience, ensuring your sponsored content doesn't compromise your authenticity. Number 9. Sell products through TikTok Shopping. TikTok Shop allows you to integrate e-commerce directly into the app, creating a digital storefront for your products. Whether you're an established seller or a budding entrepreneur, TikTok Shopping provides an opportunity to showcase and sell products through your videos, live sessions, and the Product Showcase tab. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for sellers or creators, and leverage TikTok Shop to reach a broader audience. Collaborate with brands or create and sell your products directly through the app. Number 8. Earn through affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is a versatile option for those who don't want to handle product creation. By promoting other companies' products or services, you can earn a commission on each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. Choose brands that resonate with your content and values to maintain authenticity. Share affiliate codes in your captions or bio, making it easy for your followers to explore and purchase the products you endorse. This strategy is particularly effective for niche-focused content creators. Number 7. Create promotional videos for your product or service. If you have your products or services, leverage TikTok to create engaging promotional videos. Showcase the unique features, benefits, and uses of your offerings in creative and attention-grabbing ways. Use TikTok's short-form video format to highlight what makes your product or service stand out. Include a link to your website in your bio to drive traffic and facilitate easy access for interested viewers. Personalize your merch or offerings to align with your brand and captivate your audience. Number 6. Use TikTok ads to drive traffic. Sometimes investing money can lead to more significant returns. TikTok's ad platform offers various options, including in-feed ads and branded hashtag challenges, to reach new audiences and drive traffic. This is an excellent strategy for growing your TikTok following or directing viewers to your e-commerce site. Explore TikTok's advertising options, create compelling ad content, and measure the performance of your ads to optimize your strategy over time. Number 5. Offer premium paid content. If you've amassed a dedicated following, consider offering premium paid content. Platforms like Patreon provide a space for creators to offer exclusive content to subscribers. Your TikTok channel can serve as a teaser for the additional exclusive content you provide to paying subscribers. Whether it's exclusive live chats, access to a community Discord channel, or a monthly video series, think creatively about how you can offer extra value to your most dedicated fans. Number 4. Consult for other brands and businesses. If you've cracked the TikTok code and consistently create engaging content, your skills could be in demand. Use your TikTok account as a portfolio to showcase your abilities to potential clients. Businesses may be willing to pay for your expertise in creating content that resonates with TikTok's audience. Look for opportunities to consult on social media content creation for brands looking to establish a presence on TikTok. Your unique insights can be valuable in navigating the platform's trends and algorithm. Number 3, collect gifts from your viewers. Engage with your audience through TikTok Creator Next and start collecting virtual gifts from your viewers during live sessions or regular video posts. These digital gifts can be converted into real money, providing an additional income stream for content creators. Ensure you meet the eligibility requirements, including having at least 1,000 followers, being 18 or older, and residing in specific regions. Explore the potential of receiving gifts and converting them into earnings through TikTok Creator Next. Number 2, collect tips. Activate the tips function on TikTok Creator Next to allow your audience to send you tips directly. This feature is available in specific locations, so ensure you're eligible and set up a Stripe account to receive tips seamlessly. Your viewers can express their appreciation by tapping the tips button and sending you a predetermined or custom tip amount. This direct form of support from your audience can add up over time, providing an additional income source for your TikTok endeavors. Number 1, refer your friends. Surprisingly, you can make money on TikTok without even creating a single video or gaining a follower. Utilize the TikTok Rewards referral program by sharing your unique referral link with friends and contacts. When they join and start using TikTok, you earn reward points that can be redeemed. Explore the TikTok Rewards referral program as an effortless way to earn rewards by expanding TikTok's community. Making money on TikTok is not just a possibility, it's a reality for many content creators and businesses. Whether you choose to leverage TikTok's Creator Fund, partner with brands, sell products, or explore various other strategies, the key is authenticity and engagement with your audience. Remember, success on TikTok is not solely measured by the number of followers, but by the genuine connection you establish with your audience. Experiment with different approaches, stay true to your brand, and enjoy the process of turning your TikTok passion into a rewarding venture. Which strategy are you most excited to try? And what kind of content do you think resonates best with your audience for potential earnings? Let's share ideas and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay connected with our videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, happy TikToking!